This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Costa. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, ideally situated for convenience and comfort. This inviting residence boasts a spacious split floor plan, ensuring privacy and comfort for all family members. Step into the heart of the home where you'll find a generously sized great room, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The large eat-in kitchen offers ample space for family meals. A versatile flex room provides additional space to suit your lifestyle, whether it's a home office, playroom, or exercise area. This property sits on an oversized lot, providing plenty of outdoor space and flexibility. Enjoy the fresh air and serene surroundings on the newly constructed outdoor deck, an ideal spot for outdoor dining or simply unwinding after a long day. Recent updates add to the home's appeal: a new roof installed in 2020 and a new hot water heater in 2018 ensure peace of mind and efficiency. Parking is a breeze with ample space for a boat or RV. The home's great curb appeal is complemented by its well-kept condition, making it move-in ready for you to start making memories immediately. Don't miss the opportunity to call this wonderful property your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimberly Costa at 352-425-9668.